Oh, we cannot wait to show you this one.
Follow us this way to take a sneak peek. This is truly a remarkable find. This four-sided brick beauty, located on the desirable cul-de-sac in Treesdale, also has one of the best views of the golf course. And wait until you get inside. You will love the brand new master ensuite that they just put in. Are you ready to go in and take a tour?
This covered back deck with golf course views has it all. The sellers installed commercial grade heaters from above, custom LED lighting and privacy blinds, and newer composite deck boards so that you can entertain or just hang out here year round. We are Ned and Leslie Bruns with RE/MAX Select Realty. Please come and take a look what this view has to offer, and then call or text us for your own personal tour.